Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a full face of Maybelline products. I've got them here. Let's just get started. Okay, so I've already primed my face with the CoverGirl True Blend Face Primer for Combo Skin. So we're just going to jump straight into this Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation in the shade Ivory. I've actually never used this before, so it's kind of going to be like a first impression for me. So I have swatched it. So it comes with this mirror and this little sponge thing. I did swatch it on the sponge, but I didn't actually put it in my face. And then you lift up this part and it's like a little cushion. So I'm actually going to use this foundation brush and just put that on my face. Okay, so I've applied the foundation. It doesn't look too bad. The coverage, I'm not sure, it's not really full coverage because obviously you can still see all of these blemishes. On the packet it says it's perfect coverage, so I'm not sure what perfect means, but yeah, and it says fresh luminous glow, which I think it's sort of done that. We're just going to move straight on to concealer. I've got this Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles, and it just looks like this. And you just take the cap off and you twist it and the product comes onto the sponge. So I'm just going to put that on blemishes and under my eyes. I'm just going to blend that in with this Eco Tools sponge brush. Okay, so I've blended that in with the foundation. It blended okay, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm not quite sure the coverage as well on the blemishes here, but I mean overall, it's not too bad. So now I'm just going to set the face with this mineral powder, Natural Perfecting Powder Foundation. I also haven't used this before, so this is going to be another first impression. It did come with this little brush, but I'm going to use this one. So we'll just do that. I think this might be a bit dark. It's in the shade Classic Ivory, so we'll see. So I've set the face. It looks matte. Yeah, it's fine. I think it might be a bit dark, obviously, for me, but we're going to deal with it. Okay, next we're going to move on to eyebrows. So I've got this Master Brow Pro palette. It actually has a wax that is to sculpt, color, to fill in the brow, and then a highlight to highlight the brow bone. So I'm actually just going to use the powder and just quickly fill in my brows with this eyebrow brush. Okay, so that's the brows done. Yeah, it's a good product. I would recommend that you buy it. Yeah, moving on. So next I'm going to contour / bronze with this Master Contour Face Contouring Kit. It's got a contour, blush and highlight. So I'm going to use the contour, the blush and the highlight. So I'm just going to take this same powder brush and just contour real quick. Get on the brush, please. Thank you. I like how natural it looks. It looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to take the blush shade and just put that on my cheeks and blend it out a little bit. I mean, I kind of look like a clown, but we're gonna go with it. So now I'm going to take the highlighter shade and just do the highlight with this highlighter brush here. Holy moly, that's chalky. Just gonna take it and put it here. Can't really see that I've done anything. And then I'm just going to take it down the nose, there. And I'm going to take this little brush here and just pop it on my cupid's bow here. And I'll also pop it on my brow bone. Okay, moving on to the eyeshadow next. So I've got this Blush Nudes palette, and it comes with a little brush, and you can see it has been used before, obviously. Fun fact, this is actually my mum's and I've never used it before. Clearly she has, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take this champagne pink colour right here and just pop it on all over my lid. So the pigment's not really there, but you can see it. It kind of just looks like sparkles, but okay, so although it's not very pigmented, it is a pretty like natural look. So if that's what you're going for, it's pretty. So now I'm just going to take this darker shimmer and just put it on my outer corner and blend it in to the crease a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this colour here and just put it like in the middle of my eyelid and blend it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to take this shade here and put it on my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to take this same brush and go back in with this darker shimmer shade here and just put it like on my lower lash line and then blend it out. So it kind of looks like I've been punched in the eye, but that's okay. And I'm just going to smudge the lower lash line a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to take this concealer again, and I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to clean up the eyeshadow a little bit. Okay, so the next thing is mascara. So I've got this Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect waterproof mascara, and we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to curl my lashes first with this contraption. So, before my camera turned off, I was curling my lashes, so now I'm just going to put the mascara on and we'll get to the last step. So this is what the one looks like. Quite fancy, weird. So I'm just going to put this on. Okay, that's the mascara. It didn't really separate my lashes very well, but apart from that, it's pretty good. I would recommend it. So the last thing we're going to do is lips, and since we're going with a natural look, I'm just going to use just a tinted baby lips Maybelline lip balm. And we'll just put that on. So that's my full face of Maybelline products. One thing I will say about the foundation, or it could even be the mineral powder, that my smile lines are already showing, and I've only been filming for about 30 minutes, so that's something to keep in mind if you're thinking of purchasing it. But other than that, it's not that bad. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye guys.